Grade 5A. Today I'm going to be explaining how to conserve resources and how to save the earth. There are two types of natural resources, renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources is unlimited and cannot be exhausted. For example, sunlight, biomass and wind. Next we have non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources has a limit of supply and can be exhausted. For example, diamonds, gems, coal, lapis and many more. Now I'm going to be explaining how to conserve the natural resources and how do people destroy them. First I have soil. Soil can plant trees, and with trees we can get food in supply and air. Without soil, there will be no living in this planet. But when people cut these trees, deforestation happens and soil erosion can happen, and the soil's humus will go. And it will go to the water bodies and there will just be normal mud with no nutrients. So we can't plant trees. Next I have, and to protect it, we can plant trees so the trees can hold the humus by its roots. Next I have water. Water is very important natural resource. Without water, there will be no living in this earth. And people are still dumping trash to water, which is not so good. And also the factories must always purify the water before putting it into the water bodies. And to prevent it, the factories can purify the water, then put it to the water bodies. And also people can take less showers and stop using a lot of water for unnecessary uses. Next I have the atmosphere. The atmosphere contains an ozone layer, which the ozone layer gets destroyed by harmful gases from engines and car exhaust and factories. Those harmful gases are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, CFC and many more. For preventing it, the factories can use solar power, wind power and hydroelectricity. Next I have biodiversity. Biodiversity means living creatures and plants. For biodiversity, you can make wildlife sanctuaries, botanical gardens, flower banks, pollen banks and greenhouses, which is good for us. And now we can do at home is planting trees. With planting trees, it can protect all of these things from happening. And we can get more air. And thank you for listening to me and hope you spread awareness.